Okay, so here you'll see the page after you process the payment or you made a purchase, and then you just have to click the next button and you'll see this page. So, who is the website for? And caption is myself or my business or someone else. So, we'll leave this to it's going to ask you, do you want to create or recreate a website? So on my end, I'm going to create a website and then migrate a website if let's say you have a website from a different provider. So you can migrate to hosting. And then after that, you'll just have to click the next button for your options. So here, it's going to be, do I have to choose WordPress or the hosting or website builder? So I'd rather choose the hard one, which is WordPress, because it's fully customizable. And then I have a lot of options for plugins. Because for web builders, most of the time they are not allowing you to do some huge changes. I work with that industry and I know how it works.
After you choose WordPress, you will be providing a credential login for your WordPress account, which you can put your username as well as your uh, WordPress password. So every time that you log into WordPress, it's you just have to use your username and password.
After it was already 100%, you will be automatically routed to WordPress Admin Center. So technically, it's like your dashboard where you can edit, create a page, check for themes, tools, users, and plugins. So let's just do it one by one. So if you wanted to go and visit your website, what you have to do is click beside the logo WordPress on the upper left, click the name of your domain. So, yep, that's it. That's how is my website is. And then what I can do if I want to go back or if I wanted to edit the website, I'll just hit edit site. So for WordPress, there's a lot of options. I can choose whatever I wanted. So here is how I can edit this. Let's say I wanted to make changes for the picture here in the header. If I wanted to edit here, it's not yet complete. I'm still doing some planning for this website because I'm going to use it for my business. And then you have a lot of options here. It's like all the elements that you wanted to use. You can choose it here. And there's another way for you to access WordPress or go back to WordPress. So you can just click the logo because I really wanted to have a logo inside. I'll just press the logo so I'll go back to the dashboard of the WordPress. So here you have home where you see all of the updates. Mine is asking for updates earlier. So basically that's the new updates for WordPress. And then posts, this is for blog posts if you wanted to create a blog post for your website. There's categories and tags. For media, technically media is all of the photos, videos that you have on the website. And then for page, this is the exciting part, because pages like the route or the workflow, where's the workflow going to. And then you can also see comments. If let's say someone responded, or if you have a comment section in your website. And then appearance, here is the website or WordPress website themes, where you can just choose. You just have to click activate and install, as easy as like that. So once it's activated, you'll be able to use that themes to your website. And then here's the themes. The first one is for the themes. When I created changes, there's also add-ons that's included on the changes that I've made. So that's basically how WordPress works. There are specific themes that needs to have a connected plugins. So that's the reason why if you're seeing a lot of tools in the dashboard, that's how it works. So there's a theme designers. You could actually collapse this menu to make it big or small if you wanted to see all of the tools here. And then for plugins, so for plugins, I only have few because I deleted the one that I don't need, or I'm not yet ready to have that plugins here, because basically I'm doing a website from scratch. I wanted to know everything. I customize it, depends on what I need, and I don't need that much. And then for users, so this is your login credentials. If you have like an IT guy who can edit the website, you can just provide a new user so that they can go to the website itself. And import, available tools, site health, where you see all of the updates regarding your website, if something that needs to be done for security, and settings, where you can see your taglines, site icon. This is how you edit the icons of the website, so it's like you're going back to the home screen. Reading, writing, discussion, media again, and then permalinks. So permalinks, it's kind of important because this is how your website reads. So on my end, I'll just use posting. And then privacy. So I think we have to put this privacy for the security of the website. For Lightspeed Cache, this is a optimizer of the website. So it can help your website to load, how fast it is to load. And there's a lot of things that this optimizer or Lightspeed Cache can help your website. So it's also included in my package. So that's how amazing it is. And then for duplicator, basically what it does is if there's a duplicate words, it gives you that duplicate. So yep, this is how this WordPress dashboard works. And then now let's jump to the email.